Okay, so to wrap up, in summary, we've seen this, we calculate this, we lose the page number, and we conclude by saying that we have observed a new boson with a mass of 125.3 plus or minus 0.6 GeV at 4.9 standard deviations. Thank you.
We have a success today. We have a discovery. We have discovered a new particle, a boson, most probably a Higgs boson, but we have to find out which kind of Higgs boson this is. Does it have the properties which we expect from the standard model? If not, what are its properties and where do they point to? But at least we know now that we can soon close part of the chapter of the standard model. We have now found the last missing cornerstone of it, I think.
I mean, so what would you have us write today? Have you found the Higgs or what? As
a layman, I would say we have it. But as a scientist, I have to say, what do we have? We have something, yeah? We have discovered a boson. And now we have to determine what kind of boson it is.
This boson is a very profound thing that we found. Okay, this is not like other ordinary particles. It really is. We're reaching into the fabric of the universe at a level we've never done before. This is telling us something. It's a key to the structure of the universe. It could be the final point in the standard model, but we know at some level we're pretty sure that the standard model is not the full picture. So we've kind of completed one story, one part of the story, if you like, and we're on the frontier now. We're on the edge of a new exploration.
The Higgs boson is a particle which is it's a ripple in a field which exists throughout space. And that field is the thing that gives particles mass as they move through it. The discovery of the Higgs boson and learning what it's about and what it does will take us closer to the Big Bang. It'll give us a huge step backwards in time towards the Big Bang. A lot closer than we've ever been before. And by the studies that are going to be done by the LHC over the next months and years, they will tell us more about the physics of the universe in the first microsecond of its creation.
Well, I would like to add my congratulations to everybody involved in this tremendous achievement. For me, it's really an incredible thing that it's happened in my lifetime. It's taken...